Hello, my friend. Welcome to the American Stock Analysis course today. I am the speaker, Homely Gina, and today we are going to talk. Before our topic today, I would like to make an analysis for the stock market for today. As we can see, the stock market of the Nasdaq index is actually working in the up channel. So when the price goes to the lower area of the up channel, so the price will have the support and the price will goes up. And if the price goes close to the up area of the uh, up channel, then the price will get a resistance. Then the price will goes down. So now as we can see, this time recently it just got support, so the price goes up again. But today I have noticed something different. As we can see, there's the volume of the uh, short term of the stock for the short term. So, but the volume today normally it should be yellow, but today it's red. The red volume means the stock today is actually getting to the overbought area. So then we can know if the stock is overbought, that means it's actually in the risk area. So let's see why it's like this. So there's something I have showed you. Every time when the price, when the chips turn red to yellow, it's in the top 10, and and then we can see every time it's actually when the chips turn red to yellow. That means the overbought area is actually need to releasing their the risk. So when the moment the chips turn to yellow, that means the risk is going to release. So then we can see for the recent market of Nasdaq, every time when the in the top the the chips will turn to red, and after after the chips turn to yellow, it's going to have a crash. So and it almost like every time it was did. So recently it's some, if this is into the overbought area, so we need to be a little bit cautious. Okay, then these chips we call it float chips. It's for the short term, for the short term analysis. So we can know how can we have this. It's in the Homely chart. It's in Homely chart, and you can see the left side, the right side. There is a little button, and it's a blue button. You click here, and the float chip will shows. So we could know here. What is the float shows? As I just showed all of you, we have three kinds of color of the float chips. One is purple, another one is yellow, and another one is red. So for the purple chips means oversell area, the price fallen over. So this area means chance. And if it goes to the red chips, that means overbought area. The price goes up over. So this area actually means risk. The yellow chips means normal area. So when the purple chips turns yellow, the chance is eliminated. Candlestick B is a key candlestick. We can see here the candlestick B is actually can be the key candlestick, and the price will work in the white box area for releasing the chains until the box being broken. As we can see, there's a box according to the candlestick B, and there's a up the upper line of the box was being broke up. Then the that means the price will still goes up. And if the the red chips turns red, the risk is eliminated. The candlestick E here is the key candlestick, and the price will work in the white box area for releasing the risk until the box being broken. Here, then that means a bigger risk is coming. It need more time to release the risk. And so, and here's another thing we can learn from from these float chips. It got because I just like what I just said. It actually is counted all the volumes of this price area. For example, it's like 10 to 12. The price from 10 to 12. This price area, I counted all the chips together. Then I could know where have the most chips, so I could know the people's cost. So it's easy to achieve the resistance and support. So we can see if there is a big volume, like here, this we can see here it's purple, right? When it is purple, that means it's in the oversell area, right? And when the purple chips turn to yellow, that means it's a new chance coming, right? So if the price just arrived to this area, then we could know actually the biggest volume is actually here. So this area can give the price a very big support. But when time goes by, the price goes up. But when it went to the price of today, we can see that the the volume the people who bought this stock in the bottom, actually their cost the volume time at top actually goes to the top. That means the people who have the stock here before actually sold the stock. So I could know the stock actually now it's more the volume, the biggest volume area is actually this area and this area. So the biggest support area is actually here for this time if the stock have the retracement. Okay, this is what I really want to tell. So now it's turned to red, but the red still not turned to yellow yet. But what we really know is in the overbought area. So if tomorrow the price actually from the chips from red turned to yellow, that means actually that is the time for releasing the risk. So then we should be careful. Okay, this is what I am going to tell today. So thank you for your attention. Hope you can use this method well. and have a good profit. Thank you so much.